Hello everyone and greetings from Mevea, Finland. I am Steve and I am very happy to introduce the Mevea Pro Simulator. Let's start with the platform. The feelings that the operator experience on our simulators are extremely important, and that is where Mevea excels. You can see here that the Mevea Pro features a professional seat mounted on the top of a 3DoF motion platform. Here are mounted joysticks that can be swappable within a minute to correspond to the simulated equipment. They can also be programmed to specific command, enhancing the operator's sensitivity to the equipment and building the right muscle memory. Then the screens can have up to 10 screens to enhance the immersion into the virtual environment. On the training software side, the instructor is managing the process from the Mevea instructor station. It gives access to a wide range of training exercises and parameters, like for example the equipment model, the time of the day and the weather conditions. Also, the trainer has access to important information, student record, live views and actions of the ongoing training, and when the training is over, the generated report can be reviewed together with the operator for debriefing and assessing the exercises. We are really looking forward to meeting with you at TOC Europe, Rotterdam, 17-19th of June 2025. So I will see you soon. Goodbye.